2023 update. The IRS has updated their website with the latest numbers on your 22 tax returns. They're also reporting high call volumes. So we are going to go over the most important numbers that you need to know if you need to contact the IRS. They are sending out more review notices. We are going to recap the review process, as well as we have a recap of the next direct deposit date. So let's go ahead and get started. And I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for helping me reach the 10K subscriber milestone. All right, make sure to check out my community page for a little history on my YouTube journey. Now let's go ahead and get started. If you are expecting a tax refund check, the IRS is starting to mail out those checks. This one shared the approval and mail out date is for February 24, 2023. And recap, if you are expecting direct deposit for your refund, the next direct deposit date is February 23rd, 2023. All right, now here we are going to recap the numbers. February 14, the IRS updated that they had 1.84 million unprocessed individual tax returns. And sadly, this week, February 21st, they are still at 1.84 million unprocessed individual tax returns. And that includes 2021 and 2022. More people are applying. They are starting to review more cases. So the numbers are starting to slow down. They still have 1.73 million returns requiring error correction, and 107,000 are paper returns waiting to be processed. And the same applies for those amended tax returns. The number is still at 439,000 unprocessed forms 1040X. And remember, you need to check the Where Is My Amended tool for the status of your amended tax return. Make sure to check out these two particular videos. They will be pinned in the comment section. We went over sample review notices as well as action you may need to take. All right, now the review process by mail is step one. The IRS will send you a letter and let you know exactly what additional information they need from you. The next step is number two. You need to read that letter and follow the instructions and report timely with those additional documents. If you need clarification, there should be a number on that letter. You can call it. And the third step, once they receive your documentation, they will review your tax return and they may accept it as is and send you out your refund, or they may make an adjustment to your tax return. If you don't agree, you can always file a disagreement dispute with the IRS. All right. Now, also, they are reporting, as you can see here, February 21st, that their telephone support is open both for taxpayers and tax professionals, but they are experiencing high call volumes, and they are encouraging you to use the irs.gov website for forms and clarification on policy. Here is the number for the IRS directly for individuals: 1-800-829-1040 from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. local time. Also check out my video tips on how to speak with someone at the IRS office. I will pin that video in the comment section as well. If you need to contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service, you can call 1-877-777-4778. If you need to schedule an in-person appointment to verify your identity, to check the status of your delayed tax refunds, you can call 844-545-5640 to schedule an in-person appointment. Next, if you have not filed your 2022 tax return and you are low income and need help, you can get help at one of their VITA centers, and you can call 800-906-9887 to find the location nearest you. Also, if you're enrolled in the AARP, you can also get assistance with your taxes at 888-227-7669.